This is 30 inch, and this is 10 inch, and that is 15 inch. A lot of different models, and also this one is the double column bandsaw machines. It's very popular in the market. It's known in China, a lot of factories produce the similar bandsaw, but the quality and the price is different. You can see in our showroom, this bandsaw machine looks very perfect and nice. Okay, later I will show you some big bandsaw machine there. Let's follow me. Here is a big capacity bandsaw machine. It's 400 millimeters. This one is also the double column bandsaw. You can see the diameter for this one is very huge. And the function and the capacity and some special design is very good. You can see this is the control panel of the bandsaw machine. We use the best quality electrical parts. And also here, you can see another bandsaw machine. It's BS500. This model is the machinery in. The capacity for this one is 500 meters. Also, we have a little special design. Another one have the similar structure, but the capacity is 530 millimeter. And this one is the auto feed. The cutting is auto. For the swive, it's also the hydraulic. It's very good design. Although it's the new machinery, but a lot of customers like these models. This year we sell a lot to our customers. If you need this one, please tell my engineer. I can give you a special introduction for this one. Okay, later you can see my behind. This is another biggest bandsaw machine. The capacity for this one is 600 millimeters, and this one is also the CNC Bandsaw machines. This one you can see is very huge. This is the auto feeder, and it also can do the angle cuttings. About angle cutting, it has several different angles from 13, 45, 19, a lot of different angles. Also, you can see the control panel. It's very big, and you can swive it to anywhere you want. It's very convenient for the operator. About this one, we have produced more than 10 years. As you know, some big workshop and factories, they have a lot of pipe or tube want to cut. I think this one will be a good choice. Of course, we have a lot of different models. Maybe you can see our catalog already. Please let me know which model do you like, and let me know your choice. Then I can give you a special introduction. I'm just waiting for you reply about the model. As you know, in this time, we arranged a lot of different machineries. Except the bandsaw machine, we also have cutting machine, bending machine, slip rule, and hydraulic press, also milling machine. Because we are a big group factory. If you have any question about the machineries, just let Nico and our sales team know your request, then we can offer you the right machine with very good price. About about the bandsaw machine, it's our hot sales machinery in our factory. About this bandsaw machine, we have more than 14 different models, and from seven. Okay. No. About the BS, about the BS 750G, this big bandsaw machines, it has a very huge capacity. You may ask some question about this model. This time we haven't shown this machinery here, but we have engineers here. Please let me know what do you want to know about this one. About the cutting date of this one, as you know, if you want to cut a pipe into a street, it will be very nice. As you know about this one, the 900 angles, maybe the colorings and the arrow maybe about 10 to 5 micrometers. It's very small because we have produced the bandsaw machine more than 20 years. We have a lot of experience for the production, and we also have a big engineers team and quality check teams to ensure our capacity quality is very good. That's why a lot of our custom supply choose TTMC as their supplies. About the cutting date, do you have any questions about the machine? I may want you to cut this big bandsaw machine for you. I have called my engineers to operate this bandsaw machine for you. This one is 850. It has similar operation to 650. I think it will be a good chance for you to know our machinery. Okay, welcome my colleagues to introduce this one for you. About this one, you can see here it have a big control panel. 你来操作就好，我来给他介绍。It operates by several different buttons, also screens. And also here is the hydraulic cylinders to make it go forward and back for clamping. It's very convenient for your operation. First, you need to start the hydraulic station. Okay, it's the manual operation to let the saw ball go up. Okay, fall down. Let the saw ball move down. Okay, this is the clampings. It's operated by this hydraulic cylinder. It's moved close to clamping. As you know, you can use this hand wheel to move it to connect the workpieces. Then you use the hand wheel for the final tension. This is the cutting vise for the clamping. Also, here is you need to move down by the hand wheel, then use a hydraulic sled to move it go forward and back. As you know, this saw blade is running. Also, you can change the saw blade. You can make it slow and very fast. You can change the speed. You can see it there. OK， 看下一个功能。
塑料感度控制，松料。
啊，可以让它动一下吗？
动了，都松料。
没动呀。Also, we have a dust collector there. As you know, after the cutting, 不用动。After the cutting, there are many chips and dust in the machine. So we use a dust collector to move the chips out. Also, there is a work light for the clamping. Okay. You can see it moved down. About the down speed, you can control by this button. It's very convenient. As you know, when we finish the cutting, the ball will go up automatically. Okay, as you know, the saw frame can move for different angles. Then you can do the angle cutting. Let me show you how it operates. 可以展示一下。First, you need to hydraulic tension. First, if you want to cut in 13 degrees, you can set a date in the screen. Then you can see the saw ball is moving automatically. The ball is posed by the hydraulic station behind the table. When it arrived 13 degrees, it will stop. The max angle cutting is 45 degrees. Okay, it arrived 13 angle already. Okay. Okay. If you want to move it back, you can use a button on the touch screens. Also, you can make it back automatically. It's very easy for the operator. Also, you can see the cutting angles in the touch screens. Then you can know where is the saw blade and the ball. Okay. 可以展示一下自动，可以展示自动了。Okay, it's arrived at 13, 19 degree already. Okay. Okay, let my colleagues to do the automatic cutting for you. First, you need to move the saw ball up by the manual operation first. Okay, clean the dates on the touch screen. Okay, you can set the dates on the. 你操作你就行。You can set the cutting launch, feeding launch in the screen in systems. You can see it clamping the workpieces automatically. It starts cutting. During cutting, you can change the speed. You can see it move down a little fast. when finish the cutting, the saw blade will stop running. It's just to protect the operator, because if after the cutting, if the ball still running, it will damage your hand. So when it finishes cutting, the ball will go up, but the blade stop running. But when starts the next cutting, it will start running. Now, operation just need to use this cutting. Is right. Move the ball by, it will cost you a lot of energy. That's why we have these so big and CNC bandsaw machines. For the 650G, it has similar functions. 60其实跟这操作基本一样的。You can see the vice move automatically. 没事。Okay, that's the main function of this bandsaw machines. For the capacity, it's big enough, and for the detail part, we use the very good quality part. You can see here, for as now you have 5 or 10 tubes you want to cut at the same time. You can use this ruler to connect the pipe together, and then feed the pipe, go forward, and do the cutting. It's very easy, and have consider much details for the operations. Also, this one we have a heavy duty clamp table and the bowl and some other frames. So that's why you think this one looks very good. As you know, this is a standard machineries. If you have any special request for the machineries, you can let us know. Then I can tell my engineers to do some special design for use. For us, custom is always in first positions. We just want to supply the right machineries with good quality to let you get the good quality machineries for your workshop. Okay, except these machineries, do you have any other interesting machineries? Please let me and our teams know, then I can give you a special introductions. Also, later I want to introduce our how to use bandsaw machine. This one is very popular in the markets, and as you know, last month this one have sold more than 10 units. So I think it will be good for your business. Let me show this one for you. Okay. PS 500G. Okay, this is the how to use bandsaw machines, and the bandsaw machine the function is similar to BS850Gs. I think you and your market may need this machinery. As you know, in the market, they have a lot of similar bandsaw machines, but our machineries have a special design for the function and capacities. So I let my engineer and college Max to introduce this bandsaw machine for you. 喊一下侧面。Okay. This machine is also the automatic bandsaw machine. This one we have produced more than 2 years, but the quality is very, very nice. From last year, we put it into the market. A lot of customers like it. So I think this will be a chance for you to know these machineries. So I let my colleague Max to introduce this machine for you. Okay, here is the control panels for this bandsaw machine. And you see this one have a auto feed, 2 rollers, feed vise, cutting vise, very good balls, and big electrical parts, and some very good design. First, for every operation, you need to move the ball, go up. This is the manual operation, is throw ball down. This is the control device. First, also you need to move the vise by your hand first. When it touches the workpieces, if you want to climb it more strong, you need the hydraulic cylinder to push the vise more hardly. Also, it has a work light. As you know, in some workshop, the light is not enough. So we added this light for this one to help you to see the workpieces clearly. Okay, this is a dust collector to let you know how its chips get out. As you know, during the cutting, there are a lot of chips will come during the cutting. So we let the chips get out by this. The blade is operated by the touch screens. You can change the saw blade. 你显示下那个锯条能转的有快有慢的。You can change the speed by the button. You can see the speed is very, very, very fast. Let it slow down. 降低速度。Okay, you can see the speed go very slowly. As you know, for different materials, you need cutting it with different speed. As you know, make some some bars you need a low speed, but for the pipe you need a fast speed, just to save time and improve the efficiencies. Okay, this one is also can do the angle cutting. The angle cutting is also operated by the hydraulic cylinder. You just need to press the button on the touch screen. It will move automatically. You can set the cutting date in the touch screen, just the 13 angle, 14 angles. You can set different angles here. Okay. As you know, we are TTMC is a group company. We have a lot of different tools to let you know, just Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, to help you to know our company and production. If you have any questions, you can look this tool. About this one, we have a special design for this part. This one is the faster cutting. As you know, the ball will load down very fast when it connects the workpieces. This part will touch the workpieces. Then the speed will go down very, very slowly. It's just to control the speed to let the cutting much nice. Okay. All this operation is the manual. I let my engineers to show you how it do the automatic cutting. 这自动举起来的吧? This one is the automatic cutting. You can see the ball is down automatically when it go to the bottom and finish the cutting. The blade will stop running. You can see the blade stop and the ball go up automatically. When it touches the top limit, it will stop. If you set the cutting time to 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, it will continue the operation. As you know, you can set feeding lines in the touch screens, cutting angles in the touch screen, and also the go up time, and any functions you want, we can do it. That's why so many customers like this one, because the capacity for this one is 500 millimeters. This size is very common. A lot of customers need this size. And also this one is automatic cutting. It's very easy for the operations. As you know, for big capacity, the auto feeding and angle cutting is necessary. So that's why so many customers like this one. And of course, the most important is the good quality. Our quality is very good in the market because we usually produce the bandsaw machine for Europe markets, and also all of our bandsaw machines have CE certification to ensure it have enough safety device for your operations. And also we do the OEM production for many top bandsaw manufacturers in Europe. During the cooperation with those cooperation partner, it helps us to keep the high level in production. So that's why we can supply the good quality bandsaw machine for you. Okay, for this one, I think you have saw all the function and the caricature of these bandsaw machines. If you want to know the other information of this bandsaw machine or other models, please tell me and our engineer teams. Also, you can visit our Facebook, YouTube, Twitters. We also have WhatsApp and WeChat. We have a lot of tools to let you know our machineries and the company, because right now all the world is just like a country because of internet. Internet is very convenient for the operation, just like this cut fair. All the people together by the website. So if you have any questions, just visit the website and use your mobile phone or call us at any time. We will give you a very good service and introduction for our teams and our machineries. Okay, that's the main function of these bandsaw machines. About the bandsaw machineries, if you have any questions, please let us know. I will introduce for you. Okay, of course, during the show time, we have a big surprise for you, because as you know, a lot of customers like very small tools. Those small tools is very useful for the workshop, just like the small cutting, shear, and rollers. If you want to do some DIY jobs, you may need those tools. For every customer, you come to our booth, please tell our teams and get your custom numbers. Then we will at a special time to select a lucky person to get the free gift for you. Maybe a manual shear, DIY tools, and manual benders. All those tools is free. Please come here. We will introduce this machinery for you. Okay, that's the show time for those bandsaw machines. If you have any questions, just let us know. We're always here waiting for you. Okay, that's all for those bandsaw machinery. Thank you. Thank you for your time with me. See you next time.啊？怎么吃饭我都不会用了，是吧？